Naval. Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking me. And how about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking too. So before diving into the conversation, I'd love to you to introduce yourself, Naval. I'd love to know about you.
Okay, sure, ma'am. So my name is naval Ajmera, and I'm talking to you from Jaipur city, which is in Rajasthan state, and it is known as the Pink City as well. And if I talk about my profession, currently I am working in a company as an e-commerce executive. And apart from this, I'm working on my communication skills as well, because as we all know, communication skills are really important in our personal and professional life both. So that's why I am working on my communication skills. So that is all about me, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Very glad to hear about you. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself to you. So, as you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik, belong to Assam, currently based in UP, holding master in PGDCA. I'm married person, mother of one kid, simultaneously I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest, where I upload conversation and solo videos sometimes. So yes, that's pretty much about myself too. Thank you. Today's topic, which already we have decided, realistic goal and unrealistic goal. So what do you think about realistic and unrealistic goal, and which do you prefer to set for yourself?
Okay. First of all, I would like to listen from you, then I will go.
Okay, have you cleared what is the realistic and unrealistic goal?
Realistic goals means like, it seems like a little bit real.
Yes, seems yes. Realistic goal means achievable, which can you can achieve the goal, and which goal you can't achieve, right? It's called unrealistic goal. So first, okay, I would like to listen from you, but you tell me I need to go first. So myself, what I prefer to do, I prefer to set for myself realistic goal, which is achievable for me, and sometimes I think that we should set ourselves unrealistic, where we can think beyond, right? We can come out of the box, we can think something different. If we set unrealistic goal for yourself, then you should come out from your comfort zone, right? Whether you are able to fulfill or not, but you will get some of the other benefit, some of the other experience or knowledge from this goal, right? So but whatever you are setting goal for yourself, you should have interested in that particular area, right?
Mhm.
Or suppose if someone is studying in art side, or they have done master and B.Ed too, but they have set their goal as to be a doctor. It's not seems like a they have an interest to be a doctor, right? It's totally unrealistic for them. They will not able to be a doctor because they have completed their all education in art side and to be a doctor or to be a teacher. So
Mhm.
this is a totally opposite. It's not seems like a realistic, right? So but what a realistic unrealistic goal also we can make realistic. How? If you set the goal that within 1 week I will be a fluent English speaker, and you are doing nothing for this, it's not seems like a realistic, right? It's totally unrealistic for them, realistic for you. But we can divide in a some part, like if you want to be a good communicator within 2 years, right? So you can do, you can work upon yourself because you have an interest, you have a passionate patient to learn, or you are totally devoted toward to learn this language to be a fluent in English, right? So you are working and you are day by day focusing to learn this language, whatever it's required to do you are doing, right? It could be a realistic. So that's we are going to discuss now. It's your turn. I love to know from your side that which goal would you like to set for yourself.
Okay. So I would like to set a realistic goal for myself. I talk about myself, so I would like to set a realistic goal for myself, because realistic goals, they are achievable. We can achieve them. If we set any goal, like let's suppose I want to give you example that I want to become a fluent English speaker, and if but I have not set any kind of duration that I will become an fluent English speaker within 6 months. So I have
Mhm.
not any kind of time duration, but my goal is it seems realistic. I can become fluent English speaker, so it is achievable. So it is
Mhm.
called realistic goal, like realistic would say goal, we can say. And unrealistic, like as you mentioned that if you have set a goal that you want to become a fluent English speaker, and you are not putting efforts, you are not taking actions to become a fluent speaker, then you are not going to be a fluent English speaker until unless you are not taking actions. So in that situation, it seems unrealistic goal, because you are thinking about your goal, you are visualizing yourself that I will be a fluent English speaker, but when it comes to taking actions, you are not taking any kind of actions to achieve your goal. So it seems in that situation, it seems unrealistic goal. So
Mhm.
that's what I understand about realistic and unrealistic. So we should watch, like, so we should see realistic goals as well as unrealistic. We can achieve unrealistic goal as well, but we should be passionate and we should take actions to achieve unrealistic goals. There is no harm, seeing unrealistic goals, unrealistic dreams. They can also be achieved. Yeah,
Mhm.
so that's what I understand of realistic
Okay.
and
Yeah, whatever you have said, it's totally right. So just I love to know one thing from you that successful people, they are getting, good level in their life, right? Some people are very successful businessmen, or some people are, they reached in a political very high level, right? So
Mhm.
what do you think to them that they have set the realistic goal for them, or it was the unrealistic for them at the time when they were setting their goal to be?
Yes. So I just want to give you an example. There is a great investor called Warren Buffett. So when he was a child, so he used to think that one day I will become billionaire till the age of 30. Okay. I will become billionaire. And like if I do not become a billionaire till the age of 30, then I will go on the roof of a building and I will jump from there and I will die.
Okay, okay.
If I do, so he started, but he said, he set a goal for himself that I will become a billionaire uh, at the age of till the age of 30. Okay, then
Mm,
he started working on his goal. He started learning about share market. He used to learn about share market, and he started. He used to earn money by doing different things, and he started investing his money in share market, and he started buying shares, and fortunately he started earning money from the share market. And then he decided that I have to learn more about share market, and he learned how it works, and how can we invest our money in share market. Then he started learning about it, and she used to invest his money in businesses, not in like he would not do like gambling type investing. He would
okay,
do invest his money in businesses. Let's suppose he invested most amount of his money in Apple company, because
okay,
he knew that, he knew that this company is going to be very big in future.
in future, yes, yes.
A lot of money in that company. So now he has become you know very successful investor in the world. Like he is in present time, he's one of the most successful investor in the world. And so he set a goal for himself, which would seems to be unrealistic in beginning, but
Mm-hmm.
he was able to achieve. He could achieve that goal because of he took actions to achieve that goal. He learned about share market. So I think we should not only like see dreams, we should not only set goals, we should also take actions. So I think they take actions, and they take small steps to achieve their goals. That's why they are very successful in their life. And what we do is like we take actions for some days, and after that we quit. That's why we are not able to achieve that thing. And like we feel like, let's suppose there are many people, they are working on their YouTube channels, but if they do not get good views, they end up they quit, they give up easily,
Give
and they
up.
do not. Yeah, so that's
Uh-huh.
why they are not taking action, they are not improving themselves, so that's why.
Mhm. Obviously, I also think that the same because we have to set unrealistic goal too for ourselves. We have to
Yeah.
come out from our comfort zone. Then only we can see the world which going on, and we get to know lots of things, right? Knowledge as well. And must we have had lots of desire to be something or to be something. Every person they wants to get success in their life, right? But we do not feel to come out from our comfort zone. Always we set realistic goal for ourselves, which is easily achievable for us, right? So always we try to set this kind of goal, but sometimes we have to try to set our unrealistic goal too. That where we can get some motivation after seeing others. It's inspire you to do something, right? It's inspire you to come out from our comfort zone, go beyond, right? Go out of the box. So really, sometimes we have to set the goal, seeing other. Like suppose if I'm going to give one example, which is Narendra Modi, sir, which is Prime Minister of our India, right? So
Mm.
he had a tea seller. He used to sell tea in the tree, right? Time had he thought that I will be or I would be Prime Minister of India? Might be not, but he had worked, right? He had worked upon it. Might be he was thinking inner side that I will be something better in my life, and he worked upon it. Without working, no one will be achieve their goal, whatever they are having. So he come out from his comfort zone. He worked hard for this, and he had a passion, and he was totally devoted whatever he wanted to be, right?
Yes.
So that's why he became now successful person. He became Prime Minister of India. It's not a minimum or a simple thing to be, right? But I'm not talking about every person should be think that I will be a Prime Minister of India or I will be this kind of higher level. But apart from whatever we are right now, we should think a little bit upper than our level, right? Which is which is hard to get, but we should set the goal and we should try upon it. But if you are fully devoted, you are interested, right? If you are interested to go this way, then you can set the higher level of set a real goal for yourself. But
Mhm.
if you are not interested, then you should not set. So yes, that is the things I whatever I have observed so far. Sometimes we have to set the unrealistic goal to achieve. Yes.
And sometimes we don't like even set any kind of goal, like things automatically comes in our way. We achieve many things automatically if we work on our path, honestly we work on our road, like whatever we want to achieve, if we are working honestly on that, then definitely automatically success will come in our way. So I want to give you one example. There is a cricketer Virat Kohli, you must be know about him. you
Yeah.
know Virat Kohli. So he did not know that I will be I would be a, successful cricketer one day.
Hmm.
He did not know about him, but now he has become very successful cricketer, and he is very successful now. So he did not
Okay.
know that I will be a very successful after 10 year, 20 year, but he worked hard. When his father was died, that time he that at that point of time he was playing for something like a trophy, and he scored like 100 century in that match. He knew
Mhm.
that his father is not anywhere in this world, but he scored 100 like in that match, and he did not cry, and like he was very keep himself. He kept himself calm, and yeah, and
He became
he,
at that
he-
time. Yeah.
so if you do hard work, if you do hard work honestly, whatever you want to achieve, then success will automatically follow you.
Obviously, it seems like a very harder. It seems like a very hard nut to crack initially when you set the goal. But gradually, when you work, when you divide this work into small, small pieces, then might be it will be easier for you and it will be easy to crack, right? So, yes, that's how we can divide or we can set our goal, and we should work. We should be not totally devoted toward whatever we have set goal. And it seems like easier when you work. And one another example that once before starting this learning journey, might you are thinking that it's very hard how to speak with people and especially in front of camera. Really, it was very hard for ourselves, right? It was not easy to come in front of camera and talk to people and discuss different kind of things. So it was very hard, but while doing practice in a regular basis, it's come very easier to us. Now we do not have any kind of fear to talk to anyone, and we have a little bit knowledge about to describe in particular topic as well. So
Mm.
that's how similarly now we are become a small YouTuber, not big YouTuber, but one day we will be. Right.
Yeah.
So we have set a goal for ourselves and we are working toward it. When we are totally devoted, we are fascinated, right? So this will be fulfilled and it will be complete our goal whatever we have set one day. So that's how similarly we have set.
Great. So are you
Mhm.
on like holiday today? Like you go to school I think every day.
Yes, I have to go right now. Not right now. 1:30. I need to go to take my baby son.
Okay, I thought you teach in a school.
No, I'm not a teacher. No, no. I need to go to school to take my son. Around 1:30 it will be departure.
Okay, okay. No, I was thinking that you are a teacher and you teach in a school.
No, not like that. Okay. So anything else would you like to add or would you like to give a conclusion?
Yeah, so conclusion, like I would like to say that it was a great conversation with you and I enjoyed a lot talking with you. So thank you so much for coming up with such a lovely topic. I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Try to set unrealistic goal for yourself too. Yes.
Yeah.
And thank you. It was really amazing session with you. Have a
Mm.
nice day to you ahead. Okay, bye.
Bye.